Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the tastiest tropical fruits out there, pineapple. Not only is pineapple delicious, but it's also packed with incredible health benefits. So, if you're curious about what makes this fruit so special, stay tuned. First off, pineapple is loaded with vitamin C. Just 1 cup of pineapple provides over 100% of your daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in the absorption of iron. So, if you're looking to fend off colds or improve your skin's glow, pineapple is a great choice. Next up, pineapple contains bromelain, a group of enzymes with impressive anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. This natural compound helps your body break down proteins, which means easier digestion after meals. If you've ever felt bloated or sluggish after eating, a little pineapple can help your digestive system work more smoothly. Pineapple is also heart healthy, thanks to its high levels of potassium and fiber. It helps regulate blood pressure and promotes overall cardiovascular health. Potassium helps counteract the negative effects of sodium, reducing your risk of high blood pressure. On top of that, pineapple is low in calories but high in water content, making it a fantastic fruit for hydration and weight management. The natural sweetness satisfies cravings without adding extra calories. Plus, its fiber content keeps you feeling fuller for longer, helping curb overeating. And let's not forget the bone-strengthening benefits. Pineapple contains manganese, an essential mineral that helps maintain strong bones and connective tissues. Just a single cup of pineapple provides more than 70% of your daily manganese needs. Honestly, who knew this tropical fruit could be such a nutritional powerhouse? From supporting your immune system to aiding digestion, improving heart health, and keeping your bones strong, pineapple does it all, and it tastes amazing. So the next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a pineapple. Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.